games if I play the piano after dark for 2 minutes. But no one does anything when there's real bloody noise in the middle of the night. It seems to be coming from Joe's flat. The door's wide open. Hello?
End of the road, bitch. Just ask the cat. All of this for nothing? Except I will never give up on you. Never. There's still a way to bring you back. Come.
I'll tie it to the chair. It should easily hold my weight.
Where do you think you're going? What you got there, son? Another dead body to add to the list?
Dad?
You know, your mother always loved Robbie more. He was such a happy kid. Always smiling. And you let him fucking die.
You're dead.
We're all dead because of you.
I was just a kid. You can't blame me for what Robbie did. And Mom.
You didn't even cry.
Goodbye, Dad.
I'll finish my cigarette and I'll go. There's nothing left for me here. You're a grown man. This home is yours now. Enjoy.
Ah, I see you have taken matters into your own hands, young man. I do appreciate a good initiative, but I'm afraid it's not going to work.
I thought you were dead.
No! Death is but a state of mind. And my mind has always been a wandering one.
What do you want?
I felt inclined to inform you that what you are trying to achieve here is, well, pointless.
Why? It worked before. I brought Agnes back.
This whole idea was flawed from the start. There simply isn't enough power here to alter the subject's state of mind. No one has that kind of power. Well, except the subject herself, perhaps. But as you see, sadly, she is not willing to cooperate.
Nothing is impossible.
You are a stubborn one. So fine, go and see for yourself. Do it. Just do it.
Someone's screaming. Great. This can only mean one thing. Joe's lost the plot. I always knew there was something wrong with him. Just stay calm, Susan. You can deal with this. One step at a time. I've been there before. It always starts with a weapon. I have to be careful not to cut myself. got it. Yuck. Let's stick this glass shard onto the mannequin arm and see what happens. Okay, but it's not gonna hold as it is. I should secure the whole thing now, so it doesn't fall apart as soon as I pick it up. This is it. Well done, Susan. You just built a mannequin axe. These two seem made for each other. But the weapon is still too fragile. Something's missing. But what? And what if I screw this skull on top to make it more sturdy? Right. Done. The ultimate cat lady weapon. Wait. I have to decide which weapon to use.